Hi everybody, my name's Leo Valdez and I'm the owner of National Best Credit Solutions. I'm here to give you guys the tip of the day. So, authorized users. What is an authorized user? Basically, it's being added on somebody's credit card in a positive way. So if you have somebody or you know somebody that has great credit and they have low balances and a long history, you're gonna get all that positive on your credit report. That is the right way about going about this to being added on as an authorized user. Here's the wrong way though. The wrong way being added on is somebody who has late payments, okay, that's a big no-no, and they have low history. So you might as well just get a secured card and do it yourself. For more tips, contact us here at National Best Credit Solutions, and we'll be glad to answer any questions you guys are gonna have in the future. Y'all have a great day.